Dito naman sa Philippines, 1 in 20 Metro Manila residents openly identifies themselves as LGBTQ. This means that there are at least 600,000 LGBTQs in Metro Manila alone. 'Di ba? And also, not counting those who are not out, 'di ba? Or do not identify as LGBT, but they are in a same-sex relationships or encounters. 'Di ba? So, meron pa kasing mga closet, so hindi pa nila nire-reveal. Pero ganun talaga kadami ang LGBTQs. Sa Metro Manila pa lang yan. 600,000, can you imagine that? 'Di ba? And more. And, LGBTQs have unique needs, goals, and aspirations. So, I will share the importance of life insurance for LGBTQs. Ayan. So, first, you never know. Dying suddenly, like in an accident, by unexpected illness, or even of natural causes, can happen at any time. Life insurance help your loved ones pay the mortgage, bills, even college costs after you're gone. And it also provides tax-free cash to pay the estate and debt duties. So nothing can replace you in their hearts, of course, but planning ahead with life insurance can make things easy for those people that you leave behind. And normally, it is the family members or the closest of kin that are made the beneficiaries of insurance policies. Insurance beneficiaries are those that have an insurable interest in a person, meaning those that stand to lose something, which is primarily financially, over that person's death. So according to Insurance Commission, LGBTQ partners can now be life insurance beneficiaries. Actually nga, back in 2019, I have my first same-sex client beneficiary and the policy was approved. His beneficiary was his longtime partner. They have been together for 4 years. So, ang beneficiary niya, yung partner niya. 'Di ba? It is really possible. And second importance of life insurance is, ayan, funeral and burial costs. 'Di ba? Funerals are still held today, especially if the death is not COVID related. Funerals usually take from 3 to 7 days, and the longer a funeral is held, the more expensive it gets. So just to give you an idea, a casket may cost from 3,000 to 100,000 pesos. And then syempre yung clothing, memorial chapel rental, funeral ceremony, food and refreshments. And then for the burial cost, there are two factors, the memorial lot and the burial related services. So memorial lot, that would cost 1,000 to 10 million plus actually. Ganon kamahal. Depende sa location or dun sa memorial place, di ba? Also, a columbarium naman, usually mga taga Metro Manila, the cost of that in the Philippines may be from 20,000 to 250,000. And then burial related services can be up to 50,000. And then also cremation naman around 70,000 and may reach up to 100,000. So guys, it was an already difficult and emotional time for your family, di ba? And your life insurance can cover these expenses without financial hardship or further stress. And then of course, number 3, protect those you love. In your life, you work hard to make sure that those you love, your partner, your parents, your siblings, other family members, are taken care of. It's just as important to consider providing financial support for the future living cost of surviving dependents, especially if you are the breadwinner. After all, they will have to go on without you. So make sure that they are protected too, 'di ba? So another importance of life insurance is that should mean shouldn't mean that. I mean, life insurance can help your dependents cover any financial responsibilities that are left after your death. So ang utang, that can be a tremendous burden. And on top of the already emotional toll that your absence creates in their lives, kumbaga, ang laking problema rin yung kautangan. Kasi yan, they may include personal or credit card debts, as well as business and mortgage debts. But if you have life insurance, that would also take care of that. And then fifth importance is long-term healthcare. Ayan. Kasi some may grow old with their family members. Some may have a partner at hand, while some may have adopted kids who can take care of them. While um, some may end up living alone, di ba? So if you develop a serious illness, you may not be able to get life insurance to the extent that you need it, or pwedeng hindi ka na insurable, you can't get it anymore. And then, of course, if you have a terminal illness, life insurance can provide you with the financial support. It could also be your income continuity. Kasi if you encounter health problem, lalo na yung mga critical illness, hindi ka na makakapagtrabaho noon, di ba? And paano na yung pambuhay mo sa sarili mo? Life insurance can take care of that. Life insurance can also be used in case of emergencies by requesting a withdrawal or loan. And in addition, you can also secure a health insurance as well as HMO cards for your hospitalization expenses and medication. And then six is life insurance take care of businesses. Ayan. So, uh, life insurance isn't just for individuals. It can protect a business from financial loss or liabilities or instability in the case of the death of the business owner or partner. So, whether providing necessary short term cash or keeping operations going until things are settled, life insurance can be very valuable in maintaining the business that you have worked hard to build throughout the years, di ba? And ang business kasi, hindi mo naman ma-assure na yung maiiwanan mong kapamilya will take care of your business kasi hindi naman sila katulad mo na dumaan sa mahabang proseso bago naging successful dun sa business na yon. But with life insurance, you will have enough funds to settle your business if you need to sell to the stockholders, or you they need to find a replacement or a key man for the business. Ayan. I cannot discuss you that in detail, of course. Also, importance of life insurance is to supplement your retirement. Retirement pay as well as SSS pension, when computed in today's value, would not be enough to cover for retirement expenses. Not to mention yung mga increases sa healthcare, among others, di ba? So unlike with married couples, they can supplement each other's retirement expenses. Ang mga LGBTQ, they may have to live alone and take care of themselves during such stage. So that does not change whether they live with their relatives. In fact, this can also add to the expenses supporting others as well, di ba? So, suggestion, prepare a special or durable powers of attorney so that the assigned person can act on your behalf in the event of incapacitation, whether physically or mentally. Yan. And you can also use life insurance to make sure that your retirement savings last long as you do. 'Di ba? Puwede kang gumawa ng do-it-yourself pension plan. You put an amount of money into life insurance, and then, ah, yung money na yon, in return, you will get a guaranteed stream of income na puwede mong gawin as a lump sum or month after month as long as you live. You can arrange that. And that is through life insurance. Ayan. So, also, ayan, 8. Life insurance makes financial sense. Life insurance is considered a financial asset which can help increase your credit and help you to get a loan or health insurance. Many policies have cash value, which even in case of bankruptcy cannot be touched by creditors. Kumbaga yung cash value ng life insurance mo, hindi yan magagalaw ng mga creditors. And that is also tax-free investment. That's the importance of life insurance. And then ninth, give to charity. Life insurance can enable you to leaving a lasting gift to your favorite cause or charity that is much larger than you would otherwise set aside for as a donation. Kumbaga, just recently nga, I have heard a case. May matandang babae, never married, no children, and she decided to have her life insurance given to PAWS. PAWS, ibig sabihin yung parang sa mga animals, ang PAWS meaning the Philippine Animal Welfare Society. Yun ang ginawa niyang beneficiary ng life insurance niya kasi very pet lover siya. 'Di ba? Yan ang importance ng life insurance. And lastly, tax and estate planning. Actually, this is one sensitive issue affecting, the sector, but it is to say that this should be done with expert at hands, di ba? Kailangan mo ng lawyer, pero actually, if you have life insurance, it will take care of that tax and estate that you have. Kasi, it's a sensitive matter. Kumbaga, lalo na yung may mga talagang properties, you have to manage your properties. Kasi, in case a person dies, how much can he or she leave to his partner, and to what extent, considering the family members are the primary beneficiaries of the estate. So, if you have a partner, syempre, ang talagang next to kin mo rin is yung siblings mo or yung parents mo. But if you arrange that, you will be able to take care of your tax and estate planning. And of course, yung mga maiiwanan mo rin, they will not have to be burdened with the estate tax. Ayan. Of course, you can also seek legal advice about that. Or you can talk to me as your financial advisor about that. So I can give you free consultation. So guys, we have peace of mind. No amount of money can ever replace a person. But more than anything, life insurance can help provide protection for the uncertainties in life. Ako, after I got my first life insurance, mas naging confident ako nga mag-angkas, magmotor, mag-travel, do the things I love. Lalo na yung may mga car dyan, di ba? Karaniwan, yung car nila insured, pero yung mismong may-ari ng car, hindi insured. So, nasaan ang hustisya? Diba? Ayan. Alright. And lastly, in general, LGBTQ ka man o hindi, we all need life insurance. But of course, before anything else, we should develop the habit of saving and take care of our cash flows. LGBTQs potentially may have less expenses, having less obligations in life. Of course, wala naman silang mga anak, no tuition fee payments, no need for large insurances, no need for large family home. Though they may support their relatives or persons as they generously choose. Having less obligations means having more opportunities to save, invest, and secure for your future goals. Yes, pampering yourself is okay, but of course, not at the expense of your future. Ayan.